Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to use Nano Banana to create a 3D figurine images, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So in order to create it, you can use the latest AI trend to create a 3D figurine style images from your photos or prompts that will just look like a collectible minifigures sitting on your decks. And they're super easy to make, so let's get started. You can go over to Google Gemini Nano Banana or this one right here. Both are the same one. You can use it up in your screen, open it up, and Nano Banana is a part of Google Gemini's AI, so you can use any of the website for it. So here what you can do is you can just go ahead and open up Gemini or Nano Banana AI editor directly. And the add image section, you just need to go ahead and add up the image and type in your prompt here in the section. Or you can just go ahead and upload a picture of a full body photo of yourself. The clearer your image will be, the better your figurine will look. So you can just go ahead and click on add image and add up an image. For example, this one right here, click on open and upload up the picture. And here you can just go ahead and type in a prompt. For example, something like this. You may just go over and paste it. You can even find the different prompts available in the internet that you think will work exactly for Nano Banana to frame, pose, and light your figurine for that realistic collectible look. You can look out for it, or even copy up this one right here that I've just entered on this box right here. Once you do so, you can hit enter and wait for the image to be converted. You can just go and click on generate to generate, and it should start processing your request. It may take about some seconds or minutes depending upon your image and everything. And within some time, you will be seeing your image turned into a minifigure, usually standing up on a base with a box or a digital modeling setup nearby. So you can just wait for this to be completed. And there we go. You can see I have one of the figurines available. You can also look out for that. You'll be seeing your image turn into a minifigure, as I said, usually standing with a base and with a box or a digital modeling setup nearby. This one right here. You can check for different details available here, like shadows, materials, and proportions. And if you don't like the result, you can tweak your prompt slightly in this box right here, like make the lighting a bit softer, add a glossy finish to the figurine, etc. And each of the detail will change the result drastically. And once you're happy with the figurine, you can hit this download image option right here. And once you click on it, you can just go ahead and post it on your socials and use it as a concept art, or even print it as a decor for yourself. And there we go. That's it. So that's how you use a 3D figurine style images using Google's Nano Banana. Super fun, creative, and totally free to try. So if you found this video and tutorial helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on our next AI trained tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.